My goal was simple: clone this Neo-Brutal portfolio website using AI, and this is what I end up with. Full website with homepage, the about page, even the contact pop-up, and they all are ready to go live. In this video, I will show you the exact workflow I used to build this step by step. How I plan this entire structure using Google AI Studio, how I generate UI in Lovable, how I moved and refined the code in Antigravity, and how I turned this into a fully working portfolio with the real navigation and interactions. So let's get started. So while searching for good ideas, I stumbled upon this portfolio. So style it uses Neo-Brutalism and I really like it. You can see the same style in Gumroad. So I thought maybe I just clone this website and create a portfolio for us. That's what we're gonna do. First, let's just screenshot everything like the layout, the pages and everything, and then use Google AI Studio to create the implementation plan. I have took the screenshot. Now let's create the implementation plan with a prompt I'm gonna show you. So here I'm gonna just paste a prompt, and this is a prompt, and then I'm gonna be adding the screenshot and a video I took of this website. Let's add that. So I have added both. Now let's just, I copied this website link and then add it right over here. Good. Now we have added, and let the video load. It's loading, still loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Okay, now let's just run it, and it's gonna create the implementation plan for recreating, cloning the website. After that, let's convert this text into PDF file so that we can use in prompts we gonna add. Now we got ourselves an implementation plan. So next step is creating a front end. So right now I'm at Lovable, and here I'm gonna just paste the prompt to create the front end. So just gonna copy the prompt here and then paste it here. Plus I'm gonna add an attachment of the PDF we created, like the implementation plan. Okay, I have uploaded the file. Now let's just enter, and it can take a bit of time, and so let's just wait till done. Now we have created the portfolio, and we have left with the 2.70 credits remaining, and then we're gonna just open preview in a new tab. So I'm gonna see in a full view, and this is the full view, and it's kind of similar, but there are some difference, but needs some changes. Like when we click on this about section, there is nothing showing up, but in this section about me, here you can see this is the about me section. We're gonna build that, but not in Lovable. Wait, we have about 2.70 credits remaining, right? Let's build that in Lovable, and then after that, let's just move it to Antigravity and build that rest there. So yeah, for that I'm gonna just screenshot this about me page. Just screenshot, and we got ourselves a screenshot. Now just download. So using this screenshot, I'm gonna be creating an implementation plan for this certain page, and then create a prompt and add in, and then I'll come back to you. So here I'm gonna just paste a prompt. Now let's go to Lovable and make use of this 2.70 credits and paste the prompt right over here, plus with that PDF, and then just enter. And we got the result. Let's just open a preview, and this is the preview, and then I'm gonna just, this is the home page, and we already made this. Now let's go to the about page, and this is a page we have recently created, and here you can scroll down. You can see where do I generate most values, and then how I operate, timeline, and that's it. And that's the about page. Now let's create the project page. For that, let's just screenshot this and download. Now then we gonna create the project page using Antigravity. So let's move to Antigravity. First, I'll be creating a new page on Notion, like project. Okay, project page prompt. Okay, and then I'm just gonna type prompt and then paste that prompt. So this is the prompt, and copy this prompt and then go to Antigravity. I localhost that whole thing. Here you can see this is the home page. Now let's go to Antigravity, then paste a prompt. When we go to the project page, you can see this detailing. This is the original page, and here you can see the same section, so that you can users can go to pages and see where they are right now and everything. And this detailing is only happen when we use the Antigravity. We didn't got the detailing when we use the Lovable, but we got that detailing when we use that Antigravity. Now let's recreate the contact page. When we open contact, this is what we get. Okay, let's just screenshot this. So go to Notion first. Of course, I'm going to Notion. Here I'm gonna create a contact pop up, and then I'm gonna just say prompt. It's a prompt. then paste that prompt right over here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go to anti-gravity, so paste that prompt right over here, and now let's just enter it. And we have added the contact page just like that. You can just write your email name, subject, and the message you want to send and everything, and then just send it. Simple as that. And it's completed. We have finally cloned this entire website using anti-gravity and Lovable and with an asset of implementation plan. So, and let's see the final result. So this is the final result. I have added an image here so to make it even more catchy. So this is the home page, and when we scroll down, this is the home page, and here you can see the about page here, and there is a navigate feature, and then there is project page here, and the contact pop-up. Simple. We have completed that. Yeah, and you can also add the audio here so that people can turn off and on and off here, and that's even make it better. So that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in next awesome video. Thank you for watching.